In this video, I will show you how to use split screen and how you can activate it on any Android phone to open multi-window or multi-apps in your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here, like for instance, you want to open two apps at the same time. So I can decide to open this particular app right here on my Android phone. Then on the same screen right here, I can decide to open another app and work on the two apps at the same time on my Android phone. How do we do that? Once you open the first app, come down below right here and slide this way. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on here. Then you want to make sure you click on split screen. Just like so. Now you have activate split screen. So you have the first app being open from the top right here, which can allow you, which you can easily log into the app, just like so. And then you want to work on another app. So these are other recently app right here, and some other app on your Android phone that you can easily scroll down right here. So here I can decide to open Facebook app in this same screen right here. So for that, I will simply click on the Facebook app right here, and it's going to load up into another screen right here, just like what you see right here. So which simply means that I can browse Facebook and at the same time I can work on the app right here, just like so. And I can also rotate into vertical or horizontal while working with different things on the screen right here. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular multitasking features on Android phone in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android phone topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.